Today is World Oceans Day, a day to draw attention to the problem of plastics polluting the sea. Supermarket company Foodstuffs is taking a step to help, and it started in the car park. Giles Dexter reports.
A central city car park may seem like an unusual place for a beach clean-up.
We've recognised that we could do a better job in our car parks in terms of what gets washed down the drains.
A trial programme will fit stormwater traps into drains in Foodstuffs supermarket car parks across the North Island, catching litter before it enters the water.
On average, a year, you get 5,000 plastic items washed down the drains in a car park.
The UN estimates 13 million tonnes of plastic leak into the oceans every year. Some of the worst culprits are soft plastics like food wrappers and cigarette butts.
One LittaTrap in one grate in Bereford Street in Auckland over 10 months stopped 2,000 cigarette butts getting into the Waitemata Harbour.
125 traps will be installed at 11 New World or Pack and Save stores close to an ocean, lake or river. Organic waste like leaves will be composted with the plastic sent to landfill. Giles Dexter, News Hub.